raised you at all.
What do you mean?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing. I just have a little cough. I'm just hungry. And my stomach
Sweetheart,
hurts.
tell me what's wrong now.
My stomach hurts. I'm hungry and I feel lightheaded.
I say, and my throat hurts, and Bluey sounds really good.
And I could hardly breathe.
And say, Bluey sounds really good.
And Bluey sounds really good.
Sweetheart, do you need a cough drop? Oh wait, we didn't have any left.
Okay,
Sweetie,
we're doing the thing.
Sweetie, where did you take the cough drops in the little zippy bag in my bathroom?
What? Fall for more.
Ah!